minus 30 or minus 35, it's okay for local citizens. It gets unbearably cold when it's minus 47, minus 50. You feel like you are in the outer space and you just can't stand still. Uh, you just have to find a building or some warm place. Some people are proud to live here in such hard and severe conditions because our ancestors lived here in such harsh conditions. Even children cope with such cold conditions, and you can even see children eat ice cream. It's minus 30, for example. It's really amusing.